AFC match commissioner Mindu Dorji and Abhishek Yadav inspected the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Polo yesterday in light of a proposal from the All India Football Federation to host 2 international matches in Shillong. The proposed matches are scheduled for March 19th or 20th, with India versus Maldives friendly match and India versus Bangladesh AFC qualifier on March 25th. During the inspection, several issues were identified, including deteriorating grass, goalpost height and the condition of changing rooms. The lack of adequate training facilities at Nehru was also noted. The Meghalaya government and MFA are urged to address these concerns for successful event hosting.
Nakar jinglap manin yakia jinjuri biki hotel ngisukumen sibuan ba ki long satisfy but kini ki hotel de kumbang situ bengi ni situ ba dak liang junguru ulong satisfy yaka quality ka ba kamaran jugi kadon tare kata pada ngin sa tip ayu ka report unai sebuah ka AFC de kiti ki long ki ba lawan matagasngi